Hello everyone, today we'll see ecology and ecosystem. This is Dr. Mitali Gupta from Dr. Ambedkar Institute of Management Studies and Research. In our previous video, we have seen what is environment, its component and natural resources. So today we'll see the ecology and ecosystem. What is ecology exactly? Ecology is the study of the organism. What is organism? Organism is individual, plants, animal, human being. Whatever is the unit of the environment, that is called as the organism, or the unit of biosphere is called as organism. So ecology is basically a study of organism, environment and how an organism interact with each other as well as with their environment. The definition goes like this: ecology is the study of the relationship between living organisms, include human and their physical environment. Ecology means how human being interact with animal, plants, how plant interact with different plants, how animal interact with different animals, and how animal, plant and human being interact with their physical environment, that is lithosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere. Basically ecology is the study of how biosphere interact with the atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere. Now what is ecosystem? Ecosystem is a functional unit, means what type of functions organisms perform with their environment, that is called as ecosystem. Ecosystem is a geographical area where plant, animal and other organism as well as the weather and landscape, that is the physical component of the environment, work together to form a bubble of life. Now what is the relationship between the environment, ecology and ecosystem? As I told you in my previous video, environment is a living and non-living things that are present around the organism. That means the whatever surrounded us or surrounded human being, animal and plants, that is called as environment. And ecosystem is the area in which all the non-living things and living things interact with each other. And ecology is the study of the ecosystem, how that interaction take place or how the interaction between the organism is happening. Ecosystem is equal to ecology plus environment. Ecology is the study of the interaction, whereas ecosystem is a functional unit and environment is a group of ecosystem. Ecology is the study how organisms interact with their environment. Ecosystem is the area where the organism interact with the environment, and environment is a group of ecosystem. Next is ecological succession. What is ecological succession? Ecological succession is the series of changes that occurs in any ecosystem with the time. As you can see in the pictures that you can see the grasses converted into shrubs converted into small trees, and then climax forest. That means the grass, then the succession is shrub, then the succession is small trees, then the climax format. Climax format, that means the mature and the complete ecosystem. But suddenly if the disturbance come, the whole area is destroyed, then again the grasses comes, then it convert into shrubs, then small trees, then again climax forest. This particular changes, these changes are known as ecological succession. There are various types of succession. First is the primary succession and the secondary succession. Primary succession is the newly exposed or newly formed rock is colonized by the living thing for the first time. For example, when the planet first formed, there was no soil, then hot magma and cold water make hard rocks, then these hard rocks is broken down with the help of small organism and the erosion. Then soil is then the foundation for the higher form of plant life. These higher form can produce food for animal, which can then populate area as well. So eventually a barren landscape of rocks will progress through primary ecological succession to become a climax community. This type of succession is called as the primary succession. Secondary succession is an area previously occupied by living things is disturbed or destroyed, then recolonized following the disturbance. As you can see in the picture, it is an example of the secondary ecological succession. The first picture displays a climax community. As the frames progress, the community is destroyed by a fire. As long as the fire does not burn hot enough to destroy the soil, the organism it harbors, secondary ecological succession will take place. The food chain. What is food chain is all about? Food chain is a series of organisms that eat one another so that the energy and the nutrients can be transformed or can be flow from one to another. We can say that it is a pathway that represent the exchange of energy from one organism to another. In other words, it is a chronological order of who eats whom in a biological community. Food chain goes hand in hand with food webs. You can see in the food chain that corn is eaten by rat and rat is eaten by owl. In the next, carrot is eaten by rabbit, rabbit then eaten by fox, then fox eaten by lion. Similarly, the grass eaten by grasshopper, grasshopper eaten by frog, frog eaten by python and python eaten by eagle. So the energy is transforming. For example, grasses makes their own food, then the grasshopper eats grass to consume energy, then frog eat grasshopper to consume energy, to get energy, python eat frog to get energy, eagle eats python to get energy. So this is the transformation of energy in the form of food chain. Then there are tropical level in the food chain. Like with each transition of the energy, the food chain moves up level. These levels are called as the tropic levels. There are 5 levels: the primary producers, primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary consumer and quaternary consumer. Primary producers, the one that gather energy from an energy spot such as sun. The example may be grass, that grasses makes their own food. Then primary consumer, the one that gets its energy directly from the primary producer such as the grasshopper who eats the grass. Then secondary consumer, the one that gets its energy directly from the primary consumer such as rat who eats the grasshopper. Then tertiary consumer, the one that gets its energy directly from the secondary consumer such as the snake who eats the rat. Now the quaternary consumer, this is the one that gets its energy directly from the tertiary consumer such as hawk that eats the snake. So these are the tropic levels of the food chain. Now food web. What is food web? Food web is a combination of different food chain, or you can say that a food web is a type of food network with the several interlinked food chain in a habitat. As you can say that the corn is eaten by grasshopper, grasshopper eaten by rat, rat eaten by python. This is one food chain. And the next food chain you can see the corn is eaten by grasshopper, grasshopper then eaten by frog, then frog eaten by eagle. In the same way, a plant eaten by butterfly, then butterfly eaten by frog, then frog eaten by again python. So there are different food chains and they jointly called as food web, or you can say that food web is a food network with different interlinked food chain. Now the food chain is completed, this is the time to learn something more about the ecosystem types. So, there are various types of ecosystem. As we have seen, ecosystem is the place where the living and non-living things interact with each other. So, there are different types of ecosystem. The first type is terrestrial ecosystem. The terrestrial ecosystem is found only in the land form. लैंड फॉर्म का जो इकोसिस्टम होता है उसको होते हैं टेरेस्ट्रियल इकोसिस्टम. उनके जो टाइप्स हैं डेजर्ट इकोसिस्टम, फॉरेस्ट इकोसिस्टम, ग्रासलैंड इकोसिस्टम एंड माउंटेन इकोसिस्टम. नेक्स्ट इज एक्वेटिक इकोसिस्टम. हाइड्रोस्फीयर में जो भी लिविंग थिंग्स एंड नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स के बीच इंटरैक्शन होता है उस इकोसिस्टम को हम बोलते हैं एक्वेटिक इकोसिस्टम. एन एक्वेटिक इकोसिस्टम कैन बी डिफाइंड एज दैट एग्जिस्ट इन अ वाटर बॉडी, एज आई टोल्ड यू इन द हाइड्रोस्फीयर. सो हाइड्रोस्फीयर contain the all form of water bodies. So, aquatic ecosystem again divided into two parts, the marine ecosystem as well as the freshwater ecosystem. The first is the forest ecosystem. Forest ecosystem is a terrestrial unit of living organism. Whatever living organism lives in a forest, they form a forest ecosystem. All interacting among themselves and with the environment, climate, water in which they live. So, whosoever stay in forest, whether it is a non-living component or the living component, how they interact in the forest, so that particular area is known as forest ecosystem, as you can see in the picture. Next is the types of forest ecosystem. There are various types of forest ecosystem: tropical rainforest, tropical seasonal forest, temperate evergreen and deciduous forest, barrel forest and savanna and woodland forest. These are the types of forest ecosystem. This is the food web of a forest ecosystem. Food web, as we have seen earlier, what is food web? Food web is a network of different interlinked food chain. So, who eats whom, that is all about this picture shows in the forest ecosystem who eats whom. Next is the grassland ecosystem, a biological community that contains few trees or shrubs characterized by mixed herbaceous vegetation covers dominated by grasses or grass-like plants. It occupies about 19% of the earth surface. So, grassland ecosystem जो grass में रहने वाले या जो grass area होता है, ग्रास एरिया में रहने वाले जितने भी लिविंग और नॉन लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म हैं वो जिस तरह से वहाँ रहते हैं और इंटरैक्ट करते हैं एक दूसरे से, उसको बोलते हैं ग्रासलैंड इकोसिस्टम. एज यू कैन सी द ग्रासलैंड इकोसिस्टम इन द पिक्चर, देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ग्रासलैंड इकोसिस्टम. Types of grassland ecosystem includes the tropical and subtropical grassland, temperate grassland, flooded grassland, montane grassland, tundra grassland, desert and xeric grasslands. This is the food web in grassland ecosystem. Who eats whom? Like grass eaten by grasshopper, then grasshopper eaten by lizard, lizard eaten by hawks. In the same way, grass eaten by mouse, mouse eaten by hawks, or mouse eaten by snake, then snake eaten by hawks. So, this is the food web of grassland ecosystem. Next is desert ecosystem. A desert ecosystem exists where there is a little rainfall and the climate is extreme in harshness. It occupies about 17% of the earth surface. Types of desert ecosystem includes the hot and dry desert, cold desert, semi-arid desert and coastal desert. These are the different desert, as you can see in the pictures. Different kind of deserts are there, or desert ecosystems are there. This is the food web in the desert ecosystem. Next is aquatic ecosystem. Aquatic ecosystem, that means the water ecosystem. in an ecosystem located in the water body. It is a ecosystem that locates in water body. The two main type of aquatic ecosystem are marine ecosystem and freshwater ecosystem. Marine ecosystem includes the ocean and sea ecosystem, whereas freshwater ecosystem includes the river and pond ecosystem. There are types of aquatic ecosystem includes marine ecosystem and freshwater ecosystem. Freshwater ecosystem again divided into lentic, lotic and wetland ecosystem. This is the food web of the water ecosystem, or you can say that aquatic ecosystem. So, here I am done with the presentation of ecosystem and ecology. So, from this particular presentation, students will be able to understand what is ecology is all about and what is ecosystem, what is the relationship between ecology and ecosystem. Thank you so much.